Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends, in this very exciting video on algebra. Here we have to evaluate x power 17. Given equation is x power 10 equal to 32 over 3 plus square root 5 whole power 5. Another information is x should be positive. So let us begin with our given equation. X power 10 I will write equal to 32 over 3 plus square root 5 whole power 5. Now I will multiply our numerator and denominator by 32. So here also times 32. Now we know that 32 is 2 power 5. So I can write 2 power 5 times 2 power 5 over 2 power 5 times 3 plus square root 5 whole power 5. Using properties from exponents, I can write it is 2 power 5 plus 5 over 2 times 3 plus square root 5 and then whole power 5. So conclusion from here is 2 power 10 will be our numerator and denominator will be 6 plus 2 root 5 whole power 5. This is the value of x power 10. Let me write here x power 10 equal to 2 power 10 divided by 6 plus 2 root 5 whole power 5. Let's split 6, denominator 6, as 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 whole power 5. Now we can write 5 as root 5 square, 1 as 1 square, 2 root 5 as 2 times root 5 times 1 and then power 5. Now it is recalling one identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will replace this denominator bracket by a plus b whole square, where a is root 5, b is 1. Let us write 2 power 10 will be numerator over root 5 plus 1 whole square and then whole power 5. This is x power 10. Now I can use one exponential property. So I will be writing 2 power 10 over root 5 plus 1 whole power will be 2 times 5. See, property is a power b whole power c. It would be a power b times c. Left hand side it is x power 10. So x power 10 will be equal to 2 power 10 divided by root 5 plus 1 whole power 10. So I can write 2 divided by root 5 plus 1 and then whole bracket power 10. Now I will take 10th root both sides. Given that x is positive, condition on x was x positive. So I am removing minus sign. So let me write x equal to plus only 2 over root 5 plus 1. Now in denominator we have radical. So I will consider rationalization. So 2 over root 5 plus 1. So I will multiply root 5 minus 1 in the denominator and numerator. So it will give us 2 times root 5 minus 1 in the numerator and denominator is one identity, a plus b times a minus b. So in that place I can write a square minus b square, where a is root 5. So root 5 square minus b is 1. So 1 square. So I will be writing x equal to 2 times root 5 minus 1 over root 5 square is 5 minus 1. So this will give us 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 4. Now we can cancel 2 and 4 by writing over there 2. So x is finally root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now our target is to calculate x power 17. Now I will cross multiply. Let's multiply. 2x will be equal to root 5 minus 1, or I will add 1 to both sides. So 2x plus 1 equal to root 5. Consider squaring both sides. I will be writing 4x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 5. Or I can write 4x square plus 4x equal to 4. Equation is divisible by 4. So x square, this plus x equal to 1. Or I can write x square is equal to 1 minus x. Two results, x is equal to root 5 minus 1 over 2 and x square is equal to 1 minus x. Now I will consider squaring. X square is equal to 1 minus x. Consider squaring both sides. So x power 4 will be equal to 1 plus x square minus 2x. Or I can write x power 4 will be equal to x square was 1 minus x. So I will write here 1 minus x in this place. And then we have minus 2x, which will give us 2 minus 3x. So this is the value of x power 4. Consider squaring once again. So I will write x power 8. It would be equal to 4 plus 9x square minus 12x. Now x square is 1 minus x. So I will write here x power 8 equal to 4 plus 9x square will be 9 minus 9x minus 12x. So finally we have x power 8 value. It is equal to 13 minus 21x. Now I have to consider squaring once again. So once I will consider squaring, it would be x power 16 in LHS. And RHS I will write 13 minus 21x whole square. A minus b whole square formula I will apply. So 13 square 169 plus 21x whole square. So 441 x square. A square plus b square is over. Minus 2ab term. It will give us 546x. Now in place of x square, I will use 1 minus x. So I can write 169 plus 441 minus 441x, and then I will be writing here minus 546x. So finally x power 16 I can write 610 minus 987x. This is the value of x power 16, and we have to find out x power 17. So let's multiply x power 16 by x. So I will write x power 17 will be x power 16 times x. X power 16 was 610 minus 987x times x. So x power 17 will be 610 times x minus 987 times x square. Now x square was 1 minus x. So I can write 610 times x minus 987, 1 minus x, which will be equal to 610x minus 987 plus 987x. Now I can finally write this value will be 987 plus 610. So this will be 1597x minus 987. Now let us apply the value of x. It was root 5 minus 1 over 2. So finally x power 17 will be 1597 root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 987. Let's take LCM. So I will be writing 1597 in bracket root 5 minus 1 minus 987 times 2, 1974 divided by 2. So our final answer will be x power 17. This value will be equal to 1597 root 5 minus 3571 divided by 2. This is our final answer. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye till next video, friends. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.